Lord! Apostle will hear of this.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? This is
Good day, everyone. You're welcome to this video. To my new and no subscribers, you're welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can appear out of a phone screen using your mobile phone CapCut. It is very simple. All you just need to do is to pay attention to this video. Make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end without skipping any parts. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, let's head over to CapCut. So here on CapCut, you're going to go over to new project and select your video. So I have my video here, so please, I want you to pay attention. These are the requirements you need for this video. The very first thing, you need to shoot a video like this. As you can see, I placed my other phone on a tripod. This is it. I placed my other phone on a tripod, and for you to get this kind of green screen, as you can see, there is green screen on this phone. Now this is what you're going to do. Go back to your Chrome and search for green screen. Search for green screen, go over to image and hold on any image as green screen and save them to your gallery or to your photos. So once you are done with that, go back to your photos and you're going to come over here. This is it. You're going to zoom it like this. Okay, so this is it. You are going to place it on your tripod like this. So you are going to use your other phone, which I did here. As you can see, I use my other phone to record a short video. Can you see? So once you are done with this short video, you can just record the video for like 2 seconds or 3 seconds. I think you are okay with that. Now going to come over here. You are going to use your phone that is placed on that tripod. You are going to use it to record yourself like this. Can you see? Just as if you just come out from your phone screen. Alright, good. So this is how to record this video. So now once you are done with that, now let's edit this video. So I need where, okay, good. So I'm going to use here. Please, as you can see, I hold this phone, the phone that I used to record this tripod and this background. As you can see, I hold the phone, so I think the camera was not stable. Okay, the phone was not stable based on I hold it. I didn't use tripod, since I have already used my tripod to hold the phone here. So now I'm going to freeze it. Okay, I'm going to freeze it because I want a stable background. So I'm going to go over to freeze, and once I click on freeze, automatically it has turned this to an image. As you can see, it is a still image. As you can see, it is stable. So I'm going to delete this and I'm going to delete this one. So all I need is this. So hold on this edge and drag it forward. Good. So the next thing is to bring this to overlay, which is this our tripod and our phone green screen. So I'm going to bring it to overlay. Bring it to overlay. So this is overlay. Select overlay. Automatically we have brought it to overlay. So we are going to adjust it to be in line with this one. Good. So once you are done with that, the next thing is to select this one and go over to remove BG. Please, if you do not understand this video, just go back to the beginning and watch it again. Please don't forget to click on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing tutorial like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Make sure you share this video to as many groups as possible. Please and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you find this video helpful, and you can drop your comment too to tell me what you feel about this video. So just select it and go over to remove BG. Select chroma key, and just once you select chroma key, do you see this circle? You are going to move it a little bit. Good. So once you move it a little bit, you are going to increase the intensity just a little bit and the shadow a little bit. So once you do that, you are going to mark it. If you notice that we still have green around this phone, check the phone screen very well. You see green around it. So to correct that or to remove that green screen, you are going to select this overlay image, which is our phone green screen. You are going to go over to adjust. So once you get to your adjust, you're going to move to HSL. From HSL, you are going to select the green color here. So go over to saturation and bring it back to -100. Automatically, the green has been removed. So all you just need to do is to tap on this first video and use your two finger to adjust it. Yes, your two finger to adjust it. This is it. Good. Use your two finger to adjust it. Good. So this is what we have. So you're going to have it like this. Now the next thing you're going to do is we are going to duplicate this one. Okay, duplicate this our first video. Go over to duplicate. Once you duplicate it, you are going to bring it to overlay. Bring it to overlay. Hold on it and drag it under. Make sure it is under. Exactly. So once it is under, you are going to select this one that I dragged to your overlay. You are going to go over to layer. So once you select layer, you see this is it here. You are going to bring it, you are going to drag it like this. Okay, you're going to drag it like this. Can you see what I just did now? So once you drag it like this, you're going to mark it. Okay, you're going to mark it. Now at this point that I want to come out of the screen, can you see? As you can see, good. I'm going to split it from here. Good. Once I split it from here, you see this one, this other one, I'm going to select it. I'm going to go over to remove BG. Select remove BG. I'm going to select auto remover. Let's wait for the background to be removed. Good. As you can see, this background has been removed, but my two legs are showing, right? My two legs are showing. Now to correct this is to select this one and go over to mask. Go over to mask. Select horizontal. So we're going to drag it like this. This is it. We're going to mark it. So this is what we're going to have. Can you see? So this is how to achieve this video. It is very, very simple. Okay, don't forget to share this video, drop your comment, subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, because we are going to be dropping amazing videos on this channel. Okay, once you are done, just come over here, increase your resolution to 2K or 4K. You can leave it at 1080p as well, and export your video. Thank you for your time. I will see you in my next tutorial.